Hi guys, welcome. I just came across something I would like to investigate, so I don't know what this really is. Frogging Family, a TKG toolset and packages made for Frogging Family Linux community. So one level up. Let's have a look. Repositories. This is the one I like to do. Try it out. Updated 4 hours ago. Linux TKJ. Does remind me of something. That is that we have in the ArcoLinux tweak tool something that could, well, maybe, right, can benefit for us, can be of benefit for us. We have the shop, the Pacman shop, the enable Celtics repo. If we enable this thing, we have more sources. Well, that one worked as well, that alias. Now we have Celtic AOR there, right? We are getting these things in. And that's just an update from Arch. That's okay. And we can have a look in the repositories in Celtic AOR. Is there actually anything called TKJ? I think I've seen that somewhere. TKJ, enter. So here we are, lib32. Let's go further down, Linux LTS, TKJ, TK, voila. So we can actually install this. Is this the same? I don't know, right? I really don't know. TKJ, let's go down. Here we are with the headers, BMQ. What's the source? What's the source? Where is this, for example, coming from? This is coming from kernel.org. Okay. Where's the rest coming from? So let's go for a Linux -ltkl, no, TKG, so lots of TKGs, BMQ, CFS, PDS. Okay, Linux TKJ, I know we have all these variations. They seem to point to, but that's no guarantee. Anybody can change this line here, but just wanted to know, I recognize something here. Now nvidia, anything nvidia like, there is all these kind of options, but there's no nvidia-all, right? So the Celtic repo won't cut it, won't have it. NVIDIA driver latest 396 series all in one installer. Sounds like a good thing. I have no clue. We have a package build. So reflex is git clone everything, super T this thing, and then git clone Control Shift V, CD inside our nvidia-all ls. So we have a custom, well, let's have a look like this as well. I was trying some stuff out here. So we have nvidia-all, the package build, customization, configuration. Certainly something to check out what's in there, if it's available. Okay. What happened there? It was strange. Anyway, I wanted to open this with, oh, look at that. Ooh, right? So sudo pacman -s, something to edit, please. I still have a very bare bone ArcoLinux B left WM. No, it's number 4. There you go. And then we have a look. So it's gonna override stuff. Look at that. Config frog miner. We don't have that. Let's go for Perl. Kernel override lib32 true, OpenCL true, then v settings true, Wayland is true. Driver version DKMS set to true to use DKMS, or false to use regular modules. Might be a good idea to set that to true. fixes. So since I don't know nothing squat about all this thing, I'm just gonna keep it as is. And then we have system, theorem, output, classes, all kind of things. And we should check it out. And then all the patches that are here. Just opening one of them. So changing this into that. Sounds easier. It's easier to say than to do, right? So no disrespect intended. So I'm gonna try to package build this thing. Make the package, please. Now I don't need this on this machine. This machine has no NVIDIA whatsoever. But let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. Oh my god, right? Little froggy. Ah, yeah, the name. Frogging family. Okay, what driver version do you want? Oh god, right? The last one, eh? Vulkan dev. So that's development, is it? So number 1. And then build a DKMS package or the regular one. Recommended. I would think so too. Select driver integrity check behavior. Is downloading. This is from the website, I suppose. Look at that package build. I am such a noob. Look at the size of that package build. I'm still scrolling through the package build. Great, right? Linux, anything goes, anything is possible. So, control find, where is my source? The source is customization CFG, another source, source options, source. And here we have a reference to the run. So I think here it is, developer.nvidia.com, Linux package version, and here's the Vulkan beta. So we are downloading for sure from NVIDIA. Don't tell me you're finished. Are you finished? I guess so. So what's the result? LS, right? Look at that. Okay, let's go and have a look at the Thonar and then nvidia-all. We've got this ZST, Wayland version, dev settings, dev utils. This is coming from the internet, from the company nvidia.com. README. Installs for all currently installed kernels. Comes with custom patches to enhance kernel compatibility, dynamically applied when you're requesting a driver that's not compatible out of the box. Thank you, Isaac. You may want to add a Pacman hook for the NVIDIA depending on your setup. We have that hook. Vulkan dev drivers, regular drivers. How to run the installer. Okay, SI, then follow the prompts. DKMS or regular. Optimus users, Optimus manager. Great tool exists for nvidia-all packages. And prime render offload support is in there. It is a world apart, right? Alright. There's no way for me to test it, but it's might be of interest to somebody. So I'll put the website online. So this one, Frogging Family, nvidia-all. Have a look at it, read it, ask about it. Issues, right? Always check problems with particular. Why use this instead of Arch packages is a great question. I had the same question myself, thinking, why would we use this, right? Hello and thank you for your work. So what's the main difference? None. The main goal of this, beside giving quicker access to newer drivers, is to be able to test different revisions easily in case of regression. To simply be able to roll back to another version when things are breaking, which apparently happens a lot lately. And what is lately? August the 15th. If your use case stays away from most issues and you don't need care about exotic development kernels nor Vulkan dev drivers, there's really no point in using this. Okay, voila. Super F. Nevertheless, always interesting to learn something more, and maybe you see something else while we're talking about this, and see Linux kernels and all that other stuff that you say, oh, I'm going to have a look. All right, cheers.